Now, Beyonce posted that video of her, Blue, and the entire team combing out Jay-Z's Freeform Locs, and baby, I got PTSD because exactly around this time, 2 years ago, I was knee-deep into combing out my own 10-year-old thigh-length Freeform Locs, and baby, it was a journey. Now, Sacred Detangling Spray wasn't out at that time, so I used a combination of Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and water in a spray bottle. I would spray it at the end of my locks, and no, I did not trim any of my locks to do this. I wanted to retain as much hair as possible, so I started from the root, and using a rat tail comb, I slowly and surely combed my way up the lock. It took me 2 weeks, 2 days, 12 hours per day to complete this journey of thigh-length Freeform Locs all the way up to free, loose, natural hair. Now, this is what the inside of my locks look like. I know some people were curious about that. Locks hold a journey. My hair has been with me over 10 years, 2014 to 2024. I've been to Portugal, Cuba, South Africa, Ethiopia, Egypt, etc. So there's sand in my hair from beach days and more. Yes, I washed my hair a lot, but again, your hair holds memory. It holds things when you have locks. This is my loose natural. Immediately after I finished, I went to Stephen Webster and got me a black girl blonde transformation. He trimmed me up good and gave me my first ever silk press. This is the results of that silk press, and I absolutely loved it. But y'all, I realized that after having locks for 10 years, I did not know how to keep up with loose natural hair. Now, as y'all can see, I was able to retain a lot of length after combing out my Freeform Locs. I did have to cut off about 1 inch or 2 of hair, but to me, that wasn't that bad. My hair was still like a little bit past bra strap length, which I was very happy with. I'm grateful that I did it. This is my hair today, but you'll quite often see me with some type of protective style, whether if it's boho braids, 2-strand twist, something. I'm always keeping my hair in a protective style, and that's how I'm able to still, for the most part, retain my length. I do still get scissor happy. I did a curly cut on myself in the mirror by myself recently. Okay, I do very much get scissor happy, but for the most part, my hair is still a little bit past bra strap length. Now, I know a lot of folks are thinking, girl, you combed out your antennas, your Freeform Locs just to wear braids. But y'all, for me, my Freeform Locs was holding so much energy. I had them for 10 years. Over that 10-year period, I had a lot of amazing things happen for me. I started a very successful business. I became a successful content creator. I also traveled the world and manifested a lot of my dreams and desires, but I also dealt with a lot of grief as a result of losing many of my elders. I lost 2 aunts. I lost 3 great aunts. I lost my grandfather during that time. They all transitioned. I was holding a lot of grief and grief depression in my locks. Immediately after releasing my locks, I noticed that I felt better mentally. I felt better spiritually. I felt better physically. I started getting healthier. I started losing weight. I just became an overall better person. I got the urge to comb my locks out at the 8-year mark. I had made a personal commitment that I would keep them for 10, but honestly, y'all, I wish I would have followed my spirit and let them go at that 8-year mark, because I honestly feel like I would have felt better at that time. But it's okay. Life happens, and I honored my commitment to myself to keep it for 10. I will say this though, if you are feeling the spiritual urge for any reason to transition your hair, whether it's cutting your locks, combing your locks out, cutting your loose natural, whatever, it's a reason that your spirit is leading you to do that. Your hair does hold memory. It does hold energy, and your ashe is your ashe no matter what. Your power is your power. Your crown is internal. Your hair is just an extension of that, and it's very possible that cutting your hair and transitioning your hair will elevate your ability to be able to transition and change for the better. It will elevate your wellness. Follow your spirit on that. Now, whether you are bald, you have Freeform Locs, cultivated locks, low cut seasoned with the deep waves, boho braids, I don't care what you got going on. It's important that you cleanse your crown always. You can do this by using some bay leaf for dispelling, some white sage, some rosemary, palo santo, and then you can protect your crown by utilizing herbs like horsetail for protecting your boundaries, clove to stop any negative energy or gossip, as well as any other herbs that are aligned with your spirit for protection. Be well, and you do what you do with your hair. Make sure that you are always following your spirit. Much peace.